In this tutorial, we're going to look at what is a launch bonus. Okay, so if you go onto your dashboard, you're going to want to scroll down maybe just a little bit, and you'll see over here on the right-hand side, you're going to see this little report called launch bonus. Now, what a launch bonus is a bonus that gets paid out every single time you get two new RAIN partners within a 90-day time frame of each other. So if you bring in a new person in, let's say today, you've got 90 days to bring in the second person. And once you do that, you're going to earn the launch bonus. So again, it does have a time frame associated with it, and it is paid out when you get a second person. And again, there is no limit to how many launch bonuses that you can earn in any given time. If you could do it, you could bring in 4 new people in a week and you get 2 launch bonuses paid off of those people. Now, where do you go to see how much you've got paid? If you go over into your back office, click on commissions, okay? And if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see a bonus in here called launch pack bonus. These will show you the 2 people that you earned that additional 20% on for bringing in 2 people. So launch bonus, go get 2 people. Once you get those 2 people within a 90-day time frame of each other, you're going to get a 20% commission and get paid some extra money. So thanks for looking at the launch bonus. Let's make it rain.